we are in Puerto Vallarta. Hey Remarkable Lifers, this is KJ. Craig is behind the camera and today we're going to go explore the town of Puerto Vallarta. Really cool thing, we actually have a friend who is coming in on a cruise that is porting in Puerto Vallarta today, and we're going to meet up with her and I think her husband, and we're going to explore the town together. She may or may not decide that she wants to be on camera. I guess we'll find out.
Cafe.
So our friends did decide they want to be on video today. So this is Sharon and Bob, and we actually met Sharon and Bob on a cruise several years ago. I think we have a video. See if you can link that in there, Craig. Where we met Sharon and Bob, and we just stayed in contact on social media and everything. And when we heard they were going to be here locally in Puerto Vallarta, we were coming here anyways, and we just kind of finagled our date so we could meet up with them and have lunch.
Great!
And it's been wonderful seeing them again.
And it took us 4 hours to get here.
Keep that in mind. If you come into Puerto Vallarta and you need a taxi and you're going somewhere that's a little ways away from the pier, you might have problems.
Yes.
Big problem.
Plan ahead. Plan ahead. Well, it's great to see you guys, and we'll start this process on camera. Hi, everybody. We'll start this process on camera. We wanted to let them know that I have something to remember us by and remember this little trip, and we got them a little token of our appreciation.
Aww.
So we'll do that privately off camera. So what an amazing day we've had. We got to see some friends that we haven't seen in years. Sharon and Bob, thank you so much for taking the time to stop and to use your port day in Puerto Vallarta to see Craig and KJ. It's part of our truly remarkable life. We really appreciate it. And now we successfully helped them get back to their cruise ship and had a wonderful lunch, and now we're headed out to explore the Tile Park. We'll look up the real name of that and I'll put it right here. But we'll show you some scenes from that as we walk around here on our first day. So along the beachfront, you have a lot of different restaurants and hotels and businesses and those types of things. So as you can see behind me as we go, we're walking through sidewalk cafes. There's plenty of different kinds of stores and shopping that you can do right along the waterfront. And lots of people understand the power of video. But in addition, this is a very gay-friendly or LGBTQ community-friendly area. There's a lot of people who have moved here, live here, vacation here, travel here because they feel very comfortable. It's open-minded. It's open to people being themselves. So it's really, really a unique place in the world where you can gather, be yourself, and no one cares. I've also seen a lot of people from all over the world. So we've run into people where we've heard German, Spanish, French, English, American, British English, and then obviously everybody from here locally or from other parts of Mexico. So this is really a gathering place for just about everybody. We met our friends who are coming in on a cruise ship, and we have other friends that have moved here that we're going to be introducing, or hopefully at least letting you know what we're doing with them. So it's kind of a gathering place here in Mexico. Very unique atmosphere and very unique culture here. So someplace I'd recommend. There's something for everybody. So we got to look at the ocean and the beach, so we can plan that for the next time.
Yeah.
Tomorrow. I want a beach day. I want a beach day.
If you haven't already, go out and find your truly remarkable life.
Yes.